Sorry.
So in regards to responsibility,
Yep.
the instinctive qualities, it's actually God's responsibility, and the developing qualities are in our responsibility. Can I say that?
When you say, with regard to instinct, responsibility, really God designed them to be implicit in the design. So you could say that God is responsible for them being there, but God's not responsible for how they're utilised or used. So an example of that, Alex, is you can use your eyesight to look after your own safety, can't you? Like driving along in a vehicle, oh, there's a problem, swerve out of that. You can do that with your eyesight. Or you could use your eyesight to look at a whole heap of naked women.
Yes.
Couldn't you? Yep. And obviously one of them's morally sound, you know, your safety. The other one's not so morally sound because you're probably sexually projecting at all these women and also not considering why they're all naked in front of you and what caused them to be that and what caused them to want to do that, and you're not considering quite a lot of things when you do that. So again, your eyesight, you can say, is the instinct to use it, but how you use it, obviously there are soul qualities you need to develop in terms of what you're going to look at and what you're not going to look at. You follow me? Yep. So if you think of every sense we've been given, all of those senses, you could say they're instinctual in terms of the gift, but in terms of the usage, it's going to be dependent, isn't it, upon your condition as to how you utilise them. So an example of that is in the world today, there are a lot of so-called spiritual men or women, mostly men though, who are using their ability to speak, you know, their ability to formulate language, which is a combination of hearing, brain, the ability to voice something, and they're using that ability to incite violence in others. So you see this happening a lot in different faiths, you know, Christian faith, Muslim faith, other faiths, where there's these religious leaders and they're using their abilities to incite violence, to encourage violence towards other groups of people. Obviously, that is very unloving and a poor use of the gift of an instinctual gift, but one that they're developing and using in a very unloving manner.